the ground gave way, where everything fell thin, where breath became a conscious act, and staying was the win. No sudden strength appeared, no light split through the gray, just something steady forming by refusing to drift away. This is where I learned to hold on, not tightly but enough, not fighting what surrounded me, just standing through the rough. This is where I learned to hold on without demanding relief, where endurance slowly turned into a quieter belief. The storm did not disappear, the weight did not dissolve, but something in my presence changed, a slow way to evolve. I stopped searching for escape, stopped waiting for release. Some stability emerges when resistance finally ceases. This is where I learned to hold on without fear, without force, not pushing back the darkness, but adjusting to its course. This is where I learned to hold on, where silence became known, not a threat to my existence, but a place that felt like home. Holding on was never tension, it was presence.